Much for your time. I suppose my first question will be a 51% increase in headline earnings per share. Should we read too much into that, considering the tough economic stance, not just for South Africa's economy, but also for the mining sector?
I think the 51% must be taken into context that we've done restructuring of our coal assets, and that at a fair value adjustment of about a billion rand. So if you discount that, if I could use the fair value would be 20, which is still significant, and we're very pleased with that amount. So.
Yeah. But what about the sustainability, even of that 20% increase in headline earnings, if you strip out that anomaly? How do you make sure that that is sustainable and that continues to be the basis of your operation moving forward?
We have at our operations, we've maximized and we continue to focus on maximizing our mines in terms of sweating those assets. So we've got most of our operations up to nameplate capacity, and so our focus then is on unit costs and driving costs down, because as you would appreciate, the commodity price cycles, it is a cyclic environment, and the exchange rate is very volatile. But that being said, keeping nameplate capacity, maximizing volumes, driving what the controllable aspects of your business are, being costs and cash.
Yeah,
we're pretty confident.
What about investment plans? You know, moving into the future, how do you plan to expand, if that is something that you plan on doing as well?
We continue. We are an acquisitive company. We are a growing company, but sorting out our loss-making marginal assets, get ourselves onto a platform and but we continue to evaluate what we call earnings and cash accretive opportunities.
Let's talk then about land reform. How does it impact your business? Are you concerned at all at what it could do for the mining industry?
As an operation, there's no direct impact, but the land reform would impact every one of us as citizens in South Africa, and it's what the perception of the global society feels and what the international investment communities feel about that. I'm very confident that we will make good progress, again with government and the interactions with business and farming and communities and associations, that we'll find common ground, and I'm not overly concerned. I'm reasonably positive things will pan out well.
In terms of regulation, that's clearly a big deal. Were you happy with how the minister has been dealing with things currently within the mining sector? The mining charter, yes, has been pulled back for more cooperation and more discussion. Are you happy with that?
We're pretty pleased with the new minister's approach with the DMR in terms of what is retracted, and the fact that they are constructively engaging the mining houses, particularly through the chamber, and I think we're making good progress. Yes, there are some, we believe, shortcomings or opportunities to improve that, to encourage investment into the country and make it a lot more sustainable. But I'm optimistic that things are going pretty well.